right here. That's what I was talking about, the paint chipping, right? Just right there where the old spoiler was on there. And it's chipping a little bit right there on the side, as you can see. That's the only paint chip on this car. It's only on that one side. There's the other tire. You can see it's still got some tread on there. There's the front tires. They all got decent tread on here too. Got the drilled slotted rotors on here. Time to look inside the engine. Car's still running. Got the bar up there, got the brand new optimal battery right there. The cold air intake right here, the AEM goes all the way down there. That wire is for the oil pressure gauge inside the car. Now it just finally idled down. Got the TRD oil cap here. And basically the engine. It's been running for about 10 minutes now. I'll shut this hood. This is where the cold air intake filter's at. I don't know if you can see it, but it's right there inside the wheel well. So I was talking about if it rains heavy, that's actually a cover on it right there. The AEM cover to prevent rain from getting in there. The drilled slotted rotors too on this side. Skull caps on here. There's the other tire on the front. It's a pretty decent car, man. It should be idling down at 20 psi right about now. Let's see here. Yeah, see. This is the normal idle for it. Eventually when you drive it about 30-40 miles, the oil pressure will just drop to nothing. The engine won't make any noise. It'll just sound normal like it does now. So honestly, I don't know what the hell it is. But besides that, everything else is fine in here. Here, I'll show you the trunk. Just bought some soda, but put some WD-40 on those. Actually, those are brand new. These guys right here, those hydraulics for the trunk. These things are brand new here.